The first step in any maintenance procedure is to review and follow all safety procedures. Please review the manual for your pump, including all dangers, warnings, and cautions. Before attempting to open or service a pump, familiarize yourself with the owner's manual. Disconnect or lock out the power source to ensure that the pump will remain inoperative. Allow the pump to completely cool. Check the temperature before opening any covers, plates, or plugs. Close the suction and discharge valves to isolate all hydraulic pressure from the pump. Vent the pump slowly and cautiously, and drain the pump. Pump applications are seldom identical, and such things as the abrasive qualities, pressure, and temperature of the liquid being pumped directly affect pump wear. Regardless of the application, following a routine preventive maintenance schedule will help assure trouble-free performance and long life from your Gorman Rupp pump.
For more information on pump hydraulics, equipment, or application engineering, watch Gorman Rupp's YouTube channel and visit us at grpumps.com.